Hello guys, it's been a while since I have a talking vlog, and I'm right now heading to a motorcycle washing store to have my back washed because I've been suffered a heavy rain a couple days ago, and today I want to talk with you about an accident. It's not traffic accident. It's how I dropped my new bought Insta360 X3. It happened a couple of weeks ago when I was riding in the mountain, and then due to the weak mounting accessories, the camera dropped from my handlebar to the ground, causing both side lens scratched.
NANI?!
And after that, I contacted Insta360 because I didn't buy the insurance, so I will pay for the replacement of the lens, which cost in total $250. Yes, $250. That's expensive, almost half of the camera. So, lesson learned from this accident: number one, you must have a lens protection, like the lens cover whatsoever, if you are using the camera for moto vlogging, because you cannot predict, you cannot guarantee the camera won't drop to the ground. And once it dropped, be ready for the high price for replacing. And the second lesson I learned is, if you haven't bought a camera yet, by the time you bought it, you better make sure you purchase the insurance. Okay, the third lesson I learned, and actually I put into action, is I did some research about the most strongest mountain accessories for handlebar of the motorcycle. Then I found two solutions that looks pretty good. It might work. Actually, right now I'm testing method number one, which I will post a picture. And this mount accessories was manufactured by a Japanese manufacturer. Then it has this double lock system, which looks pretty strong. And today is my first time using this solution. Later we will find out if it is strong enough. And for the number two solution, I will post another picture. Actually, I learned this from the Facebook group. There's some other dude is using this kind of solution. I think this is so far the most secured one, and I purchased it from the Amazon. It's arrived already, but for now I don't have the time to install and test. So today let's just only find out solution number one. By the time we arrive at the washing store, we will know. We will check if any screw is loosened, any part is loosened. If none, then that's okay. Actually, the mounting accessories for Insta360 camera has been a headache for me. I almost tested all the possible method, all the different products, but none so far I found it 100% secure during the high speed, long-term using, during the weather, the bumpy, vibration. So when you put all this together, which means the motovlog usage scenario, most of the mounting accessories, they're not secured enough. All of them has slightly position moving, or the screw just damaged due to the vibration. I'm visually checking the mounting accessory right now. So far it looks good. I don't know, I'm not sure if the screw has been loosened already. I did try my best to tighten it, and later we will find out. Maybe later after we ramp down the skyway while we're waiting for red lights, we can check. Okay, basically that's all. You can expect my test or installation video for the methodology number 2, and also I will give you a follow-up for my replacement of my X3 camera. And at last, I wish everyone ride safe, not only your personal safety, also safe for your camera, safe for your bike, safe for everything. Other than that, enjoy riding. How are you? You can do chin care today? Okay, then wash and chin care. Thank you. Let's check. Yeah, it's still tight. No problem. Let's just quick release the camera. Everything is okay. That's good.